The standing female figure from 19th to 20th century Africa is a ritual doll which is 20 inches tall. The sculpture is extremely minimal, and the woman is essentially a nude stick figure standing upright on a patch of ground. Notice the breasts, which sharply point outwards. When a woman experiences difficulty in conceiving and childbearing, this figure would be brought out to help the woman. Once her doll is made, she decorates it and treats it as if it were her own child. Hopefully, the woman will soon become pregnant with a healthy baby. Because of the immense importance placed on childbearing within many African societies, it is understandable why the women there would be interested in aiding the conception process. Furthermore, in most cases of childlessness within these societies, it is seen as a problem with the woman if she is either unwilling or unable to bear a child. Native American sculpture, the Potawatomi male figure, Love Doll, is small. It is 9 inches long. It's from Wisconsin and dates back to the 1800s. It's a male figure that seems to be carved in wood. The man does not have any arms, and the bottom half is covered in red pants with green lines on the side, used with wool fabric. There is also some sort of band with feathers going around his waist. He has holes in both ears and a slight mustache and a light unibrow. This love doll was used as medicine to control human behaviors and health. Its other purpose was to cast a love spell on a person whose attention was desired. The lovelorn were granted the power to cast it through a vision or dream, given special powers by the spirit. The Potawatomi male figure and the Bamanian female figure are both sculpted figures that are made with wood. The male figure is partially covered, while the woman figure is completely bare. The main difference between these two images is that the male figure, also known as the love doll, was used to control human behavior and health in men, whereas the female figure was used in aid for women having difficulty conceiving and childbearing. Finally, the hand-finished Romanian sculpture Torso of a Young Man is an abstract representation of male sexuality. Taking its influence from African tribal art, the symbol's brass elongated torso rests atop two smaller cylinders. The 18-inch polished portion of the piece reflects simplistic and phallic nature. African influence can be seen within Torso of a Young Man by its elongated torso, which also is depicted in the male and female figures. Both of the figures have complete humanoid features, while Torso of a Young Man is simplistic and phallic. All three are of wood and brass components, and each item is connected to the representation of fertility, sexuality, and rituals. The male figure casts a love spell, the female figure induces conception, and the phallic figure is a clear representation of the male's sexuality.